Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 8th, 2021. This is going to be our Plug Power stock prediction. Plug stock outperforms. I mean, take a look at the last couple of days into the market and Plug Power, the price went up. Now we want to know, is Plug Power ready for a massive breakout? I mean, the last time we done our video, which was on September the 18th, you guys can see what our expectations are. We're looking for the market to go up in Plug Power, right? But since then, I mean, it really hasn't done it. So it's kind of like we're just sitting back, waiting. Market just trading sideways. It's getting boring. We're not getting no massive movements to the upside. It's kind of like, when in the world will we see this price in Plug Power go up? Don't worry about it. I got you. We're going to talk about that today on this video. So if you guys want to tap in with me, hit the like button, and also subscribe. We're one of the only organizations that's going to give you information that is not here to persuade you. We're just simply giving the information based off the charts, based off price alone. We're not going to talk about any fundamental analysis. We're not going to show you any technical indicators, because both those analyses is garbage. Yes, I said it. It's garbage. It does not give us any competitive advantage over our opponents in the stock market. But price and interpreting what price means gives us that competitive advantage. So make sure before you head out, if you appreciate it, tap in with me. So now, look at the price in Plug Power, right? I cannot emphasize this enough to those who are watching our video today. Look at this. This support line is massively important for Plug Power to go up, okay? Which is one of the main reasons we are harping on seeing this price prediction go up. That is our expectations. And this is probably the main reason why. Is because the market is showing us that $24 and 25 cents, give or take, give me a couple pennies. It's been maintained as support. Now, if the market, understand this, if the market in Plug Power truly was weak, okay, if it truly was weak, the price would not be holding support at $24.25. It wouldn't. Price would have been broken at to the downside, but it hasn't. So again, until that day occurs, we are going to expect the market price in Plug Power to continue to go up, or at least have the expectation, right? And even since our video, right, we did see the market in Plug Power give us a little a push higher in price. It did, right up there towards $28. I don't know if any of you took some profit there. Maybe you have, maybe you didn't. But that was an opportunity for us to grab the bag from the market at about 6.25%, right? Maybe around 9% right there. But now the question is, based off what happened yesterday into the market, right? This is one reason why I wanted to come in and talk to you all, is because we saw a pretty good spread. I mean, the market in Plug Power bounced off support again about 6%. We saw the market in Plug Power close 6% higher than the previous close. So it's still, he is still confirming to me that the price, he is willing to prop up the market still, based on what happened yesterday. So even though the market is not giving us a massive increase in price in Plug Power, based off the market move yesterday, the expectation is still there on the table. Now, it might take a while. This is one of the issues about predicting market moves, is that we don't have a time clock as to when we can expect the market to do what we expect it to do. If we did, man, we'd be very powerful in the stock market. We would. Because we know when to get in, because we know precisely when the market's going to move, and then we'll know precisely when the market's going to turn. But we don't have that capability yet. But it'd be fascinating if we did, though. I'm just saying. Just saying. All right, so check this out. Let me look at this on a different time frame to see if we do need to get rid of it, right? Do we need to adjust our price prediction in the market in Plug Power, right? So these last, let me show you these 3-day price bars right here after we did our price prediction, right? These two right here. Okay, you see it? Let me zoom in. These two 3-day price bars right here confirms to us this thing right here, okay, that the market got rejected in Plug Power here, because this was rejection, and I mentioned that on our last video. Don't believe me? Go back and listen. I mean, all of our videos are in our playlist for full transparency, so you all can see what was said and you all can see what we were talking about. right? So go back and listen. The market still got rejected in Plug Power at 26, right? Or I'm sorry, 28, at $28. It still got rejected. So that is still a hindrance. That is still a problem. And until we see the market successfully break 28, we cannot expect it to go up to 32. I'm just saying. But by us bouncing off of that support area, $24 the last 6 days, tells me that we are still on course for Plug Power to try to go up. It is still there. And the longer that we see, okay, Plug Power hold this support line, the better that we'll see the massive breakout. Because right now, what the market is doing, it is building up this next cause, this next movement. It's building up its pressure, this energy for either a massive breakout or a massive breakdown. But over the last couple of days, we've been seeing that the massive breakout is more probable than a massive breakdown right now. Okay, that's just right now, October the 8th, 2021. Now, as we continue to see this market trade and we get more indication that weakness is coming through, then you might need to jump ship. You might need to say, I thought it was going to go up, but the market, as time went on, we got a little bit more weakness involved. It came into the charts and we had to let it go. Yeah, you got to be prepared for those type of scenarios. I know a lot of these YouTuber pumpers ain't going to give you that information, but we will. All right, so the question is, all right, that I'm posing to you right now is, do we need to get rid of our price prediction, or should we let it continue to ride? I mean, just simply look at the price. What is your expectations? Should we let it go and take the downside movement, expecting Plug Power to go down, or should we just let this ride? Because I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do in regards to this price prediction. Based off the recent price movement, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not even gonna touch it. I like it. I still expect the price and Plug Power to go up. I still expect it. We still got rejected at 28 though. So keep that in mind too, because that is the closest area that the market is having problems of going up. But I'm satisfied with the market continuing to show us that it wants to hold support. So I'm golden. I'm still good. Still looking for the market to go up. Now, let me tell you this though. If the price in Plug Power gets rejected a second time around 28, then you might need to reevaluate the prediction. Just saying. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Make sure you all maintain a profitability. And before I go, make sure you all drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me what your expectations are in Plug Power. Where do you think the price is going? All right, cool. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.